At George Brown College, we're rolling out a new academic progress report that comes with a built-in what-if tool. If your program began in fall 2018 or later, you'll be able to use the new tool as soon as your division goes live. To begin, log into your StuView account at stuview.georgebrown.ca. Go to the Academic Records menu, then select Academic Progress Report. Be sure to review the information on the landing page, and once you're ready, scroll down and select View Academic Progress Report to continue. This is your new Academic Progress Report, which comes with a built-in what-if tool. Your progress report for your current program is located under the Academic tab, but if you're considering transferring to a different program at George Brown, click on the What If tab to use the What If tool. Keep in mind that using this tool does not affect your actual registration, nor does it guarantee admission to a new program. However, it's a great way to see how your courses would fit into a different program and how your path to graduation would change should you decide to transfer. To get started, choose the program you want to transfer to. In this example, a business accounting student is hoping to transfer to the Business Human Resources program. Next, choose your catalog term. A program's requirements may vary based on the term. In most cases, you should choose the term in which you would have been in semester 1. Lastly, you can add any future courses that you're planning to take at George Brown College. Enter the course code and click Add to update your what-if scenario. This student plans to take Econ 1034 in the future. You can add multiple courses if needed. If you want to start over, hit Reset to undo your choices. Otherwise, click on the Process button to generate your what-if report. By default, in progress and pre-registered courses are included in your what-if analysis. You'll now see your what-if report, which shows you how your courses would fit into the new program you chose. This particular student would have 51% of the requirements from the Business Human Resources program. This is based on their current coursework and any planned future courses. Scrolling down to the summary block, we can see that this student would be missing at least one course from each semester if they decided to transfer. Overall, the student requires at least 14 more courses to graduate from the Human Resources program. We can look at each semester block to see which of the students' completed and in-progress courses are being applied towards the new program. Any missing requirements are also displayed. Any future courses you've added will also be listed on the what-if report. These courses are shown with a grade of Plan to indicate that it's a course you're planning to take in the future. At the bottom of your what-if report, you may see a section titled Courses Not Applied to Credential. This section shows any of your courses which cannot be transferred to the new program you chose. Once you've reviewed your what-if report, you can look up a different what-if scenario by scrolling back to the what-if block. Click the down arrow to expand the section, and then select a different program or catalog term as needed. We hope you'll use the what-if tool anytime you're considering transferring to a new program. Thank you for watching and best of luck in your studies at George Brown College.